Hi! In front of me is VIVO T2 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. You need to begin by tapping on one of your apps that you wish to use on the top half of your screen. When you're ready, access it in the background. In order to do that with trickiest navigation, use this button with 3 lines. Finally, you can click on the icon of an app at the top left corner and select Split Screen. Now just tap on the second app. As you can see, now I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and click on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!